Integral and indefinite integration. Let f of x be a function, then the collection of all its primitives is called the indefinite integral of f of x, and it is denoted by integral f of x dx. It is denoted by integral f of x dx. Therefore, d by dx of phi of x plus c is equal to f of x. That implies integral f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c. That implies phi of x plus c. Here phi of x is equal to primitive of f of x. And c is equal to arbitrary constant known as the constant of integration. Okay, constant of integration. All of you look here carefully. D by dx of phi of x plus c is equal to f of x. That implies integral f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c, where phi of x is equal to primitive of f of x, c is equal to arbitrary constant. It is known as the constant of integration. Okay, here I will give the signs also. Here it is the integral sign. F of x is the integrand. X is the variable of integration. Dx is the element of integration. Or differential of x. F of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c. Okay, the process of the finding the an indefinite integral of a given function is called integration of a function. integration of a function. Okay. Next I am discussing about the fundamental formulas of an integration. Fundamental formulas of an integration. Next I am discussing. Fundamental formulas of an integration. Fundamental formulas on integration. Formulas on integration. Right. Here we know the formula d by dx of phi of x is equal to f of x. That implies integral f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c. That implies integral f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c. This is the formula. Integral f of x dx is equal to phi of x plus c. Right. The first form. D by dx of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal to, the form is n plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 cancel, that is equal to x power n. Therefore, that implies integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to 1. This is the first formula. Next, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. That implies integral 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. D by dx of e power x. We know the derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. That implies integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Okay. Next. D by dx of a power x by log a to the base e is equal to a power x, where a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Here observe that solution is d by dx of a power x into log a by log a, that is equal to a power x, where the bases are e. That implies integral a power x dx. That implies integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c to the base e. This is the formula. Next form. D by dx of minus cos x is equal to sin x. That implies integral sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Okay, the derivative of cos x minus sin x. Next form. D by dx of sin x, that is equal to cos x. That implies integral cos x dx sin x plus c. And next form, d by dx of tan x, is equal to secant square x. That implies integral secant square x dx tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. Next form. D by dx of minus cot x cosecant square x. That implies integral cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Okay. Next form. D by dx of secant x tan x. That implies integral secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Secant x plus c. Next form. D by dx of minus cosecant x is equal to cosecant x cot x. That implies integral cosecant x cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. D by dx of log of sin x dx. Log of sin x is equal to cot x. Here you want solution. 1 by sin x, the derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, log of sin x, 1 by sin x into d by dx of sin x. That is equal to cos x. Cos x by sin x. That is equal to cot x. Therefore, integral cot x dx is equal to, that implies integral cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Log mod sin x plus c. Next form. Next form. D by dx of minus log mod cos x is equal to tan x. One solution. Minus 1 by cos x. Why? Because it is in the form of log x. The derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x into d by dx of minus cos x. That is equal to sin x by cos x. That is equal to tan x. Therefore, integral tan x dx is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c. Minus log mod cos x plus c. Next. D by dx of log of secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. Same way, secant x. That implies integral secant x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. D by dx of log mod cosecant x plus cot x is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x minus cot x. That is equal to cosecant x. Therefore, integral cosecant x dx is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. This is a very, very important formulas. Okay. Next, some standard results I am discussing about. Some standard results. some standard results of an integration. First form, d by dx of integral f of x dx. D by dx of integral f of x dx is equal to f of x. Why? Here the solution is the differentiation of an integral is the integrand itself. The differentiation of an integral is the integrand itself, or differentiation and integration are inverse equations. Observe here, d by dx of integral f of x dx is equal to f of x. Why? Here differentiation and integration are the inverse operations. Okay, inverse operations. Next form, integral k into f of x dx, where k is the constant. Therefore k into integral f of x dx, where k is a constant. Next form, integral f of x plus or minus g of x dx. Therefore integral f of x dx plus or minus g of x dx. Okay, these are the some standard results of an integration. Okay.